यार एक बढ़िया सा मिल्क शेक पीने का मन कर रहा है, क्या कहता है? हाँ तू बस ये सामान ले आ, मैं बना दूंगा। देख मिल्क शेक हेल्दी तो होगा ना? अरे बिल्कुल। ठीक है बस फिर मैं तो यूं गया और यूं आया। ठीक है अरे भाई तुझे क्या हो गया? अबे कैसी लिस्ट पकड़ाई थी तूने, पूरे शहर के चक्कर लगवा दिए। पहले तो शहर के एक कोने से स्ट्रॉबेरी लेके आया, फिर भाई तुम्हारा फ्लेवर, कलर, क्रीम, मिल्क पाउडर और ऊपर से आइसक्रीम भी। यार घर में इतनी चीजें पड़ी होती हैं, उनसे नहीं बन सकता था क्या कुछ? और यार मेरे तो ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि ये मिल्क शेक हेल्दी किस एंगल से हुआ। अरे भाई इतनी अच्छी स्वेटिंग हुई है, इतनी कैलोरीज तू बर्न करके आया और हेल्दी मिल्क शेक। और कितना हेल्दी मिल्क शेक चाहिए तुझे? बेवफा In this video, I am going to share with you 7 milkshake recipes that are not only healthy and tasty but are also very easy to make and are actually cooling for your body. While deciding these recipes, my focus was on taste, using easily available healthy ingredients and of course practicality. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Starting with number 7 on the list is Gulkand Shake. Gulkand, a sweet preserve of rose petals, is not only mouth-watering but also cools the body almost instantly. To make the authentic Gulkand Shake, in a blender jar, simply add 2 tablespoons of Gulkand, 300 ml of chilled milk and blend until it is smooth and frothy. That's it, pour it in a glass and your delicious and cooling Gulkand Shake is ready to hop on. A natural blood purifier, digestive aid, eye tonic. It also adds glow to the skin. Although if you want these benefits, make sure you do not add any rose syrup, food color or ice cream. Drink authentic. Also buy Gulkand, which is prepared using unrefined sugar. For your convenience, I have linked a few options in the description box. Now to take it to the next level, if you can arrange a couple of pan leaves, then you can add them too in the same recipe to make a tempting, healthy pan shake. Try it out, it might become your favorite drink this summer. Next on the list is Sabja Kesar Shake. Summers are incomplete without the sabja or basil seeds. They are not only super cooling but also promote weight loss and have many more benefits to offer. Kesar not only cleanses the skin but is among the best anti-inflammatory herbs that work on liver, the center for controlling body heat. And do you know what's the best part? You don't need a blender to make it. So to make this healthy and refreshing milkshake, first of all, soak a tablespoon of sabja seeds in a cup of water for about 10 minutes. This will make them soft. Then take a few saffron threads and soak them in a little warm milk so that they release their color and essence. After 10 minutes, drain the water off sabja seeds and put it in a mixing bowl. To this, also add the kesar milk. Add about 1 tablespoon of jaggery or mishri powder. Mix 250 ml of boiled chilled milk and using a fork or whisker, whisk it well. Your healthy, tasty and revitalizing Sabja Kesar Shake is ready. Ditch those refined sugar and preservative-laden Kesar milkshake bottles and treat your body with this authentic cooling Kesar milkshake this summer. Number 5 on the list is Anjeer Shake. Anjeer or dry figs milkshake is not only refreshing and appetizing, but it is among the healthiest milkshakes that you will ever drink. If figs make you roll your eyes away, then this shake might change your mind. To make it, first of all, soak 5 to 6 dried figs in just a little water for at least 4 hours. This not only makes them soft and easily blendable but also enhances their cooling quotient. Now in a jar, add the soaked dried figs. Also add the water in which it was soaked as it becomes naturally sweet and nutrient rich. A cardamom, some mishri powder for extra sweetness and blend together to make an anjeer paste. Now add about 250 ml milk and blend until smooth. It's ready. Garnish it with crushed cashews if you want. Naturally thick, strength building, heart healthy and cooling, the Anjeer Shake is worth trying this summer. Next on the list is no coffee, cold coffee. If you are the one who can ditch all milkshakes for cold coffee, then you might ditch cold coffee for this no coffee, cold coffee. Confused? Well, for millennia, people have been using roasted chickpeas as a healthier substitute to coffee. Chickpeas, when dry roasted for 15 to 20 minutes, get dark chocolatey brown. Once cooled down, if grounded to a fine powder, it smells and tastes exactly like coffee, minus the stimulating caffeine effect. I bet you won't believe it until you try this. So for the no coffee cold coffee, in a blender put 1 glass of chilled milk, 1 teaspoon of no coffee powder, 1 teaspoon of mystery powder and blend until smooth or just with hand. That's it, pour it in a glass, garnish with roasted chickpeas powder and enjoy. Unbelievably, the taste is exactly like cold coffee. Once prepared, this powder in an 8-8 container will serve you for months. Much better than these coffee-based milkshakes in the market that not only have caffeine but also come with unwanted synthetic fillers. Keep the crap out and pamper yourself this summer without any compromise on taste or health. At number 3 is Chikoo Shake. Chikoo or sapota as it is commonly known is not just juicy and tasty but is amazingly healthy for the bones, skin and hair. When a properly ripened, naturally sweet chikoo is combined with milk, it becomes all the more nourishing and cooling. To make it soothing milkshake, simply add 2 de-seeded chikoos and 250 ml chilled milk. If you want, you can add a little jaggery powder for extra sweetness. Turn on the whisker and your naturally sweet, filling and chilling Chikoo Shake is ready to dig in. Rich in calcium, potassium, vitamin A, C and antioxidants, do try this wholesome milkshake this summer. The secret behind making healthy milkshakes at home is to use natural sweeteners like thread mystery, jaggery, honey or sometimes just the fruit itself instead of that sulfur-washed, chemically refined sugar. At number 2 on the list is chocolate vegan milkshake. If you are looking for a dairy-free milkshake recipe, then this one is especially for you. To make it, foremost take about 15 cashew nuts and soak them for 4 to 6 hours. In a separate bowl, we will soak 3 to 4 de-seeded dates so that they get soft. Now in a blending jar, add the soaked cashews with 200 ml water and blend them to make a milk-like consistency. Your cashew milk is ready. Now to this we will add soaked dates along with a little water they were soaked in. Blend once again. Now add 1 ripe banana, 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, some ice cubes and blend. With the natural sweetness from banana and dates, milk substitute in the form of cashews, this inviting wholesome milkshake is ready. Here we have used cashew nut in place of dairy milk. In the same way, almond milk or coconut milk can also be used for this as well or for any other recipe that we have discussed. So absolutely no reason whatsoever to fall for those unhealthy chocolate syrups. Taste the original. You and your body will love it. Last but not the least is Milk Badam. Chilled with the goodness of almonds, the classic Milk Badam can beat most milkshakes in the market for its taste and health benefits. You can make it so easily at home without even a mixer. For that, firstly soak about 10 almonds in water for at least 6 hours. Then rinse out the water and remove the skin. Now in a mortar, add these peeled off almonds with a little water and crush them to a paste. Alternatively, you can use a blender jar as well. Now in a pan, put 1 glass of milk, add 1 glass of water, almond paste, 1 cardamom, a few saffron strands and let it simmer for about 45 minutes. Adding water, there are 3 benefits. Firstly, the almonds and herbs will adequately dissociate its flavors and medicinal properties in the milk. The water will anyway evaporate, leaving behind milk which gets far more easily digestible. Also, it is much more practical as there is no need to continuously stir it to prevent the milk from getting burnt. So just keep the flame on low, set the timer and you can carefreely do other things. After about 45 minutes, your badam milk would be almost ready. Give it a good stir and then turn off the flame. Let it cool down. Now add mystery powder to sweeten it. Add ice cubes. Well, enjoy this healthy and hassle-free badam milk. The taste, oh, it's amazing. Surely worth the effort. So these were the 7 milkshake recipes which are not only healthy but are also ideal for the summers. Best times to drink them is between 11 am and 4 pm, that's when the sun is harsh on us. For which one of these milkshakes would you hit the like button? Let me know in the comment section. Try these recipes, take a picture and tag me in the Instagram stories. I will share it. Check out Ayuga's 100% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Face Oil. Turn the pack and you will find that it is an authentic formulation made using saffron, sandalwood, goat milk, lotus and 20 other precious herbs that lift the face glow naturally. The reference Ayurvedic text is also clearly mentioned. To use it, take an adequate amount, rub gently and apply evenly onto your face. Company recommends that you apply it in a special face posture. Known for its anti-aging properties, this natural moisturizer is suitable for all skin types. To buy Ayuga's USDA organic, Ayush licensed, made safe and cruelty-free 100% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Face Oil, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 15% off on your order. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.